Greetings everyone, Sanmonani, Senzo Kaya Kambule, your best photographer from Imifanekiso, Etegwini, Ngiza kuwe ngihamba noZalele Goba from Imifanekiso. She's a model and she's a melanin. She's wearing a melanin on flick. As a bonus, she's busy flicking her hair and then she's on flick. Alright, we got the poster, animals. What is this poster about?
Oh, the poster I'm trying to.
Paradise Valley. Paradise Valley. Paradise. Like paradise. So we see Adam no Eva. Plus so we shoot at
we waterfall.
So we shoot at waterfall. So please come and join us simply by applying 061-788-6699. What do they send? Oh, wow. Ish. That's a coincidence. Alright. You bring imvunulo. Denim and is swimwear because abanye bazothanda ukuthi beshuthe ngeswimwear abanye bathanda ukuthi beshuthe ngemvunulo so sizobona uzoba nabathanda iculture stick with imvunulo muthanda because heritage man muthanda futhi swimwear just go modern like from overseas yabona ubonakale kahle but it's your choice thina asingene lapho but bring your denim and remember please bring amateki because we're gonna walk to the waterfall. Alright, and e-transport is arranged. It's a workshop.
9 o'clock extend. Don't be late.
Perfect.
Call 180.
One lady, so shoot a cool. Alright, but it's
terminal workshop.
Terminal ban.
Terminal B.
Yeah. So one of the and we bring and what?
Bring and share.
So bring and share. So we are going to do mama kele barrier and whatnot because I
can bake. I'll bring cakes for you guys. All of you, it's on me cakes.
Bring them.
Yeah, bring them.
Yeah. Inkuku say munyiwe wabanye ziyachutha njengamanje. So please. So please do come and join us. Imifanekiso is the best. Now as you've seen our pictures, like our Facebook page, Imifanekiso on Facebook, Instagram, Imifanekiso magazine on YouTube, search Imifanekiso and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe.
Hey, whatever it is.
Subscribe. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. See you there. We 1dayphotoshootexp.
Please make sure you come.
I was going, yes. And you're calling them. I'm going, you're calling. Alright, but again, please make sure you come. I won't be going that time.
I'll bring cakes for you.
I'm a cake.
Yes.
Cake. You're like the cake. Cakes. Let's say my nini. I'm a cake.